Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to see who is the real winner, AngularJS or ReactJS. So both are the most powerful and most used front-end framework nowadays. So you may choose, okay, AngularJS is good for you. For some, the ReactJS is good for you. So today we're going to see actually who is the winner, who is the better framework. So let's go to and check. Okay, so basically if you see nowadays JavaScript is being so steadily increasing year over year, so it is important you choose the best front-end framework for your project. Okay, otherwise you have to see which one is the better. Okay, so then let's see between AngularJS and ReactJS which one is the better framework you should choose for your project. So AngularJS. So AngularJS is basically your open source JavaScript framework. It was originally created by Misko Hevery and Adam Abrons. But currently it is being maintained by Google and a vibrant community. So basically it is based on JavaScript and HTML. So nowadays the complete rewrite version of AngularJS in TypeScript is available, which is called Angular. So brands using AngularJS, we can see Google, Nike, uh, General Motors, Upwork, HPO, Sony, Forbes, all these brands are using AngularJS. So React.js, it is also open source JavaScript framework. It was originally created by Jordan Waki. So it is maintained by Facebook and an active community. So it is basically based on your JXX and XML-like syntax, which supports writing HTML tags in JavaScript. So we can write HTML tags within JavaScript in React.js. It is also enhance your application performance because it uses for your virtual DOM. So brands which are using React.js, you can see Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Netflix, Uber, Airbnb. So let's compare the performance between AngularJS and React.js. Okay, so you can see huge apps are often slowed down in AngularJS because of it bidirectional data binding. So AngularJS is bidirectional data binding. So the data binding is between your model and view. But in case of React.js, it is unidirectional, and also due to its prompt rendering feature, it's become preferable choice for handling vast databases. So in case of performance, React.js is better than AngularJS. So if you come to dependency injection, so AngularJS has its inbuilt dependency injection, so makes it components reusable, maintainable, and testable. But in case of React.js, it doesn't have built-in dependency, but its JSX offer basic dependency injection container in its JS library. So in case of dependency injection, AngularJS is the winner because it already has its inbuilt dependency injection. So data binding. So data binding we already discussed. AngularJS is a bidirectional data binding. That is the data sync between your model and view. So that's why it impacts its performance a bit. But in case of React.js, it uses Redux to allow you to work with unidirectional data binding and accelerates its debugging process. So that's why React.js performance is better than AngularJS. So if you come to implementation, then AngularJS is having lots of number of feature and option. So it makes it easy to implement this framework for developer compared to React.js, because in case of React.js, to achieve the same feature, we have to write some extra code, or we have to use some external components to call these APIs. So in this case, AngularJS is the winner. So if you come to directives and templates, so AngularJS, it's a MVC model. So it's provides three layer, which is model, view, and controller. So basically, model is your data, view is your UI, and controller is your business logic. But in case for React.js, your JavaScript logic and UI components are merged to build JSX, which facilitates easy writing and better compiling of codes. So JavaScript logic and UI components are merged mean, as I mentioned previously, we can write HTML tag inside the JS. So it merged to build JSX. So let's come to the final verdict. Who is the winner? So simple answer is it depends. I mean, it depends on your project requirement and your objective you want to achieve through a particular technology. So if for you, if AngularJS fulfills your project needs better, then it's AngularJS for you, the winner. Otherwise, ReactJS wins. So I hope you know what is the difference and what technology you should use for your project. I hope this video is really helpful to understand this. So thank you everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.